guys, Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and we got David back with his 3.7 liter turbocharged Mustang. Now tonight, we're up in the boost. We're gonna shoot for 14 PSI. He is on pump gas E85. We're not using C85, pump gas E85. Who knows what percentage it actually is? We didn't test it, but it could be bad, it could be good. However, we're gonna get it on the dyno. It's already there. Let's run it and see what it gets. I'm gonna aim for 600 horsepower. That is our goal, is 600 horsepower. That's all David wanted. That's all he needs. He doesn't need 600 horsepower, guys. He like daily's a thing. He doesn't need 600 horsepower, but we're gonna go for it. So let's see what it does. Alright guys, we just did our last run and they look happy. How happy are you?
Really happy.
Really happy? So guys, the car made 605 horsepower. Look at that curve, guys. 605 horsepower and 553 foot-pounds of torque. Look at this. So from about 5,500 RPM, really it hits at like 5,800. All the way out to like 65 where it starts to dip just a little. We're over 600 horsepower. What are you even gonna do with that, man?
I don't know, get some more tires.
Get some more tires, that's right, because these guys, these are not holding up. They don't hold. Literally like ice skating driving this car. It's ice skating on dry pavement. So the roads are a little bit wet. We're gonna go try not to die, but we're gonna send it. 605 horsepower out of a 3.7 liter V6. MPG turbo kit E85, thick 1000cc injectors and a DW400 fuel pump. Sending it with a VIS Racing turbo, 67, 66 millimeter. It's good to go. He's gonna go gap some V8s. This thing's fun. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Sounds so nice.
Personal.